The first step in troubleshooting the Azure Bastion service is to make sure that it has been created. In the Azure portal, search for Bastion. There should be one listed. Select it. The second step is to check that the subnet was set up correctly. Access the Azure Bastion subnet by selecting the virtual network on the home page. Then select Subnets, then select the Azure Bastion subnet. Check the network security group is set to none. If it is set to anything else, you'll need to manually check that the correct ports are open for ingress and egress. The next issue could be related to private DNS zones, so search in the Azure portal. You should see the message, "No private zones to display." If one does exist, check it doesn't end in azure.com or windows.net. The final check you can do is to use the Connection Troubleshoot wizard. Select the Bastion service, scroll down to Monitoring, select Connection Troubleshoot. Choose the VM and the IP version you are using. If you are connected to a Windows machine over RDP, enter 3389. If it's SSH, enter 22. Select Check, and after a moment you should see the status of Reachable. Test the issue has been resolved by navigating to your VM. Select Connect. Select Bastion. If you set up the VM to use a username and password, enter the details and select Connect. In a browser window, you should see the Azure Bastion service connect to your VM.